To my vlog. This week is a mixture of feeling overwhelmingly hot, feeling more clarity, and feeling grounded. And you're gonna see why in a second. Thank you for being here. I'm gonna take you on a little adventure with me to my favorite space. This is my magic spot. I've never really shared lots of content on this, maybe little clips, but I'm gonna take you to the waterfall with me. And it is the reason that I'm sane. I mean, this is my form of therapy. It is a place that I go to every week, and I haven't been able to go recently because it's been so hot that there was no waterfall. And I had a little reunion with the waterfall. I also went with my very, very dear friend who is from Thailand. She's so wonderful, and we have such an amazing time there. I went there a lot, and I'm going to show you a few of the trips and what I do there. It's a lot of nothing. That's why I love it, because I don't do anything except ground and feel connected to my body. Can't wait to share it with you. Let's go. Not much to say. You can hopefully feel it. This is what I'm looking at the waterfall. I love this opening into the sky. I could stay there for hours. There's no tourists, there's no people around here. That's the best part. You can see how happy I am. I love the peace here. I love the solitude. And I love the movement of the water. This is what I need the most, is the combination of the grounding of the stones and then the movement of the water. And I love to lay in here and just sort of think about how I need to surrender and move in my life. And as much as I can, aligning with those qualities, feeling into those qualities, meditating with that. This is one of the beaches I went to, but I have to tell you, I prefer this. I prefer being in the waterfall. It's just, I don't know, it feels more sacred, more private. And another thing I love to do is just to walk on the stones and just to walk through the forest barefoot. I feel such a connection to my feet from doing this. When I take my friends, they're always like taking really gentle steps, like, ow, this hurts. But I don't feel it like that anymore. I feel really connected through my feet. I found this stone and I just started to feel grounded and centered here. I don't know, something about that stone really was calling me. I don't know how long I stayed here, but I actually laid on it and I could feel its energy, and I was like, wow, I need this in my life right now, to feel like the mixture of feeling flow, but also feeling very grounded, very secure and safe. Honestly, it was the best feeling. I didn't want to move. I love doing this practice of just feeling your legs open and just breathing into the womb, into the yoni, and noticing how it feels to relax here, to surrender and let go. For women, it's, common to hold so much tension here, to not feel safe. So I love to do this while I listen to the sound of the water and feel my body, feel my breasts. That is my meditation. And that is what helps me feel connected to my body. I love to finish my practices up just with moving any dead energy out after all that work, opening through my heart, shaking dead energy out. Again, just opening through my legs and really breathing up through my womb, my yoni. Oh, what a space. It was so special. Actually, a few days later, I found another beautiful spot, and I felt like I was in a Disney fairy tale, honestly. I just sat in the water here and just deeply connected with Mother Earth, with the water, and felt connection to my body, even just bringing my hands to my body like this and feeling kindness and compassion, sending myself love. I like to imagine I have like a magical potion on my hands and I'm like covering myself with whatever I need, compassion, strength. And I'll just take you with me as I walk. It's so funny because like it's so easy to trip and fall. You really have to be so mindful of every step that you take. So again, it's like a moving meditation for me. Every step I take, I'm feeling my feet, feeling the earth. And trying not to fall as I hold the camera as well. Of course, I always have to find a tree. I'm always finding a tree to sit with, just to feel with, tap into its energy. Okay, it is another extremely hot day. I've been a waterfall whore the past few weeks, as you have seen. It has been deep into the forest, feeling cool, cleansing, being in the water, and just trying to not be overwhelmed by the heat. Hard to think sometimes, like I find it hard to want to work, to have a schedule to do anything because I'm just feeling like I want to cool down. It's like my main priority, but definitely feeling calmer from my last few vlogs, feeling more centered, more in my body, more clarity. Soda water, simple, right? But I mix it with, you get these little drinks at 7-Eleven. You have to really read the ingredients. Everything you buy in 7-Eleven, you have to read the ingredients. For example, I bought what I thought was an all fruit ice lolly the other day, and then I before I ate it, I like looked at the ingredients when I brought it home. It had butter in it, processed butter blend. You have to be so careful because some of the stuff in the foods is like, you don't know. But anyways, this is good stuff. This is just lemon and ginger. And so I mix it with the soda water, like just put like half of the glass in, and it's so good. My favorite fruit in Thailand, papaya. I don't like cutting fruit, and I don't care, okay? I just don't like it. I don't know why, but it bothers me. And so I buy it like this. So what? These containers I keep to feed the kitties, so I don't feel bad. I wash them and I reuse them. It's so good. My Thai friends, when I first moved to Thailand, ever had a sore stomach? Oh great, it's got all over my new couch. They would give me papaya to help with my stomach. And I always love like little Thai remedies. I never knew that, but it does work. So just since then, I've always loved papaya. I'm kind of going through feeling clarity on what's next, but also feeling very pulled to my past. This is something that I've actually painted. I'm going to show you the painting. You know, imagining myself on this tightrope, and you're in the center of the tightrope, and in front of you is your future and your goals and everything, and you have to like stay hyper focused to stay on track. And if you look back to your past, you fall off the tightrope. But that's what I'm feeling right now, of like, okay, I see it in front of me. Don't look back. Don't hold on to old patterns. Keep going forward. Stay focused. And it's so hard because I do find myself feeling super distracted lately. You know, like going on social media or just having old thought patterns that aren't serving me anymore and kind of going into that. And then in front of me, seeing all the things that help me, like doing my art, staying focused on my business, like connecting with friends and family, and then kind of like pushing away from that sometimes and really catching myself. But the thing that's helped me is to stay grounded. And the only way that I can stay grounded is through nature. It's the only way I feel connection to my body. The densest layer of our being, the only way that we can stay super grounded, that I can, I should say, is through root chakra connection. The root chakras being your feet and your legs. This is the densest layer of your being. And your earth element obviously is also Mother Earth, Mother Nature. And so going into nature, just feeling into my feet, feeling my connection with the plants, with the water, it's the only way I can come out of my thoughts and to like really feel centered and grounded. So I've been doing the things that I need to this week, doing the things that help me feel grounded. And we're all different, so we all have different things. My cat, not even my cat, actually my neighbor's cat, but I kind of adopted her. Every morning, 5:30 a.m. sharp, she goes right next to my ear and lets out like a really loud meow. Every morning. And it's so tough for me because I kind of like the wake up call, but then it also freaks me out. Like hearing that right in your ear. And it's like, I know she's doing it on purpose and I don't know what she wants. She's like, you know, oh, I like to sleep during the day. And I kind of want to go into her ear right now and go, meow. Remember what you did to me this morning? Do you remember? When you went into my ear and you said, meow. Do you care? You're proud of yourself. Okay, little Cinnabon.